Hello friends, I am SDS Sir, Faculty of English at Resonance Adventures, and today I am here with a new topic in writing section. हाँ दोस्तों, today we will focus on how to write article. Article, a long composition and the marking scheme for CBSE is 5 marks. तो चलो दोस्तों देखते हैं what are the points to remember, what is the strategy आपको follow करनी है where writing a crisp article is concerned. The points to remember is, first, give a title that catches the attention of the reader. Try to give a eye-catching title to that particular article. Then next, begin with a striking opening sentence. Next, introduce a new point at the beginning of each paragraph to strengthen your ideas. Jot down your ideas initially and then start a new point at the beginning of each paragraph. Then follow it up with a strong argument for your ideas, supporting it with evidence or elaboration. जब हम articles लिखते हैं, then use the linking words such as however, therefore, although, even though, in order to, and so on to form a coherent composition. तो linking words का use systematic तरीके से करिए. Develop your ideas as much as you can to make them interesting and substantial. Yes friends, article should always be attractive. It should always be interesting to read. Put up rhetorical, that is the skilled and persuasive questions. Conclude with your strongest point. Whenever you end your article, conclude it with your strongest point. Some more points to remember. Clarity of writing can be ensured only by knowing the purpose of writing and your audience. Don't attempt or never attempt to write about every single piece of information. Yes, don't try to write about each and every single point. Select the relevant information. The article must be written in the appropriate format and style. Add quotations to enhance your article, but do not add too many quotations. It will take away the essence of the article. So these are the points you have to remember when you put up an article. The format, what is the format of this article writing? Always on the top, in the center will be the heading. It should be eye-catching, encapsulating the central theme. Just below the heading will be the byline, and byline is the name of the person who is writing that article. Next will be the body, and body can be in 3 or 4 paragraphs. 3 or 4 paragraphs may you can put up the body. The first paragraph will be the introduction, and this opening paragraph is a must because it will tell us what the article is about, किस बारे में article है. It will catch the attention of the audience, the readers. It will arouse the interest, उसके अंदर interest जागृत होगा. It will limit and control what you plan to discuss in your article, and it contains language that is clear and precise, and it may even use a definition or a quotation. So the first paragraph will be the introductory paragraph. Next, जब लिखो, then develop a cause-effect relationship and try to use the facts where articles are concerned. Give examples to support your view. It will always make the article interesting to read. Present arguments in a coherent, logical and convincing manner. And when a topic demands, then put up the comparison and the contrast. Give your views contrary to yours and convey why your views are better. So try to put up the comparison as a contrast. And finally, it will be the conclusion, summing up, that is consolidation of the ideas. And उसके अंदर क्या लिखना है? You can offer some suggestions, measures to improve that particular situations and so on. So these are the points you have to remember, and this is the format as to how to put up a crystal clear article in your exams. So now how the article should look like. कैसा दिखेगा article? Yes, this will be the heading, preferably block letters, not at all compulsory. Just below that in the bracket will be the byline, that is the person who is writing the article, and then will be the body. It will be in 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs, the way you want to put up the article. So friends, this is the way you have to put up an article. I'll show you a couple of short examples of articles. देख सकते हैं. The first interesting topic, Aping of Western Culture by the Younger Generation. It is written by Sunil Sharma. So the article in front of you. Life in the big city is fast-paced. The influence of modernization and Western culture is reflected easily in the attitudes of people, especially the younger generation. The glamour of big cities attracts the younger generation to cinema halls, restaurants and discotheques. Bunking classes and truancy are becoming common in school and colleges. Fed on coca culture, prop music and disco dance, the youngsters are forgetting their traditional values completely. In their blind aping of Western culture, maxims like simple living and high thinking seem old-fashioned and outdated. With scant regard for the wisdom and experience of the older generation, the youngsters are becoming more demanding, many a time going far beyond their means to fulfill their temptation for fancy things. The generative gap between the younger and the old is widening gradually as the youth is developing a rebellious attitude towards everything. They are more aggressive than ever before. Very early in life, they are exposed to too much violence through cinema, television or the internet. Where will all this lead the youngsters to? I think, now I am giving the suggestions, I think the school must insist more upon value orientation programs to discipline and quieten the minds of the youngsters. Faith should be restored in our own culture by organizing programs highlighting the rich cultural heritage of India. The energies of the young must be employed in constructive ways so that they feel proud of being what they really are. So an interesting topic of article in front of you, aping of Western culture by the younger generation. So इस प्रकार से in different paragraphs you have to put up your article. One more article for you and a very common topic, misuse of cell phones by Bipasha. We have discovered a new toy, a mobile phone, and we can't stop playing with it, be it our friend's funeral, a place of worship, a hospital, a conference room, marriage procession or a play or concert, or even the classrooms. The cell phones keep ringing all kinds of musical tones at odd hours and are a source of constant nuisance and disturbance. The mobile phone is more of a status symbol than an object of utility, especially for the youngsters. One can now talk, send messages and even play games on the mobile. So the virus is spreading fast. In the fast moving world, the ruling mantra is keep moving and yet be in touch. With innovations in technology, the latest models have introduced many extra features and therefore are a source of greater amusement and delight. This is indeed a misuse of technology. First of all, a mobile phone is a necessity and not a plaything. In our hurry to get addicted to the convenience, we are ignoring the ethics of cell phone use. We used to maintain our social relationship even before the mobile phones came into existence or into being. The school-going children must not carry cell phones with them as it is a great distraction. Adults must switch it off after reaching home. Obviously, the use of cell phone while driving can prove fatal and is therefore punishable by law. And finally, if the use is unavoidable, we must be brief and soft. We should keep the cell phone on a vibration mode so that as not to disturb other people. So you can add some more points, better points also to this article. So friends, this is the way you have to write the article. So enjoy learning, keep watching, like, subscribe our channel, share our channel and keep watching for some more updates and videos. Thank you everyone.